On camera, the sun is about to set. You got to look at these clouds. See that? And let's go back. Let's go over. Got these clouds. Is that nice or what? Let's go down. See them? This is the east. The sun sets in the west. This is what the clouds look like, the reflection in there. That is nice. Look at that. I'm going to go check the front in the second video, but I got to show you this. I'll make a musical one of it, and one without the music. This is explaining it to you. Look at that. Look at them. Look at them. Is that amazing or what? There's a plane going through it. That is beautiful.